April 2nd, Thursday, 8:20, 10 minutes until the New York Stock Exchange opens. But first, I wanted to show you what prop firm is and the prop firm I'm using if you don't already know. Well, basically what prop firm is for people who really don't have money to, start a live account. So what they do is they fund you an account. You can come down here and you can choose which account you want. You can choose 50K. You can choose 100K, 50K, 25K, 150K, and you buy these packages for a month, right? So let's say you want this 50K. You get pay frequency is bi-weekly. You have to hit $3,000. Your max position is 3 contracts. Some of you don't understand. I barely understand that. You have a daily loss limit of none. And your end of day evaluation drawdown mode. A lot of this shit is hard to fucking explain because I'm still new to this myself. But what it is you have to follow these certain rules, and they pay you once you pass your evaluation. You go on into the funded account. And I am at $237, but I have to make $3,000 in order for me to get to the funded account, right? Once I get to the funded account, it becomes live trading, and now I'm able to make a certain amount of money, and I can be able to withdraw money. So yesterday I had a negative $100 because it canceled out my trades. I don't know why I did that. Oh, actually I do. It was a setting that I had. So make sure when you're trading on this, make sure this shit is set to GTC. You want to set it to GTC because it means good till canceled. If it's set today, it's going to close at a certain time. Maybe when the New York session closes, or a little bit before the New York session closes, but it closed at a certain day. Actually, let's see if it's down here. No, not from yesterday. No, it ain't down here. But it closed at a certain day. Make sure your shit is set to here, and you should be good. But our goal today is to make at least $500 and get that back. Because what did I make on? See, I made $338 on this trade. And I lost $100 on this one. And that's okay. We're gonna get it back. But alright, let's get into it, man. Let's get into it. Alright, I uploaded all my charts already, so we ain't gotta do that. I did the gold, Bitcoin, but this one the ones I'm looking at the most. The one that's in the clear downtrend or clear uptrend. Showing signs of potential bottom around here. Price broke major support. Alright. No, not this one, y'all. Let's see. US 500 short. US 500 shows bearish structure across all time frames. That's what I like to see. All time frames. It's going one direction. Down. Short. Short means sell. Down. That's what that means. When it's like that, that means I'm not doing no buys. I'm not buying. Even if it says, if price confirms right here, go long or buy. No, I'm not going to do it. I'm looking for this right here. I want this to happen. This boosts the confidence score up tenfold to 80% because all this is bearish. All time frames are bearish. So I'm looking to buy this one. Even if it does this, I'm not going to do it. I can make some money off that though. But me, I be patient. I like to wait for really A+ setups. A+ setups is what this is saying. All time frames. They all are in alignment with one another. See that? That's what I'm looking for. There was another one. Let me see in my book. I wrote it down. S&P 500, right? This is the S&P 500. Oh, the US 30. Let me look at the US 30. Let's look at the US 30. US30 shows clear bearish structure on a daily with strong rejection from 50,517 high. Full hour confirms bearish with lower highs and lower lows. 1 hour shows bearish structure, but currently in a small bounce phase. So this is telling you to go short. So if it's telling me to go short, that's what I'm looking for. Even if this hits, this alert, I don't want it. I want this one. I don't want this one. This one could be a trick. It can be a fake out. I want this one, just because all time frames are in alignment. So that's why I want that one. So let's go to TradingView and check it out. So let's see where we at. Let's get out of here. I already got 36 alerts that went off. Let's see what's he. I already marked it. Bearish only. It's already below the line, but it's coming up. I need them boys to close below this line twice. At 9 o'clock and 9:30. Let's look at this one. What is this one again? Man, I forgot. Because this is S&P. That's NASDAQ. This is S&P. Okay, this is S&P. I need to go to the 30-minute chart. And that's what I'm looking for. To below this line for the S&P. That's what I want. What about Bitcoin? Bitcoin all the way down here. Oh, okay, never mind. Yeah, Bitcoin's below its line just a little bit though. And this is gold. This is gold, y'all. In order for, let me explain this. This is what they do. I don't know what this means, but they can't trade like the regular gold. This is regular gold. This is the real gold. But when you're doing prop firms, they ticker is different. And I can't explain it because I'm not very knowledgeable in it. So I'm not going to even try to explain it. Hey, ask the right questions. I don't know. You want to find out these questions? ChatGPT it, go to Google, and they'll give you these answers. You always want to ask the right question. Well, what does this mean? I don't know, bro. Look it up. All I know is on prop firms, they use different tickers. So, anyways, let's get back to it. This is what we're looking for. So, I'll be back around 8:55-ish, 8:58, and we'll see what we can do. We are back. It is 8:59, 1 minute before the New York session opens, and let's see where we at. All right, gold. Look, it's trying to touch it, but it said nope. Let's go to the other gold for the prop firm. Where is the yellow line at? They tell me it need to be all the way up here. We ain't even gonna think about that. Bitcoin. Nope. Look at that long wick. It's above this line. It's above this line. So nope. Not even for that. Let's go to, what is this? The NASDAQ. Nope. Look at that. It's 9 o'clock. No tears closed yet. That long wick. Fake outs, man. Fake outs. What's this one? Nope. Didn't go below this line either. And that's for the S&P. And the last one. No. We want the bearish only and it went up. So no tears closed, man. No tears closed. Not even on the gold. Look at the gold. Almost here for a tear close. But it didn't work. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. Alright, guys. No tears closed on this one. So we still got... We got another 30 minutes. Let's double check. Let's see. No no. NASDAQ, no. Bitcoin, no. Look at that. Fake out. This is what I'll be talking about, these wicks. Stay away from these wicks. This is just a liquid. They call this a money grab, a liquidity. Liquidity is not a fancy word. It just means money grab. The system knows that people have a stop loss right here. So they got to get the money. You know, the market got to make money too. They know where the people's stop losses are, especially banks. They got all this type of information. Believe that. So people's stop losses are set here. It's set here. It's set at this number. So this little liquidity grab, and you got a stop loss right here, it's going to touch your stop loss and take you out of the game and take your money. That's what wicks are for. It's called a liquidity grab, aka money grab. But anyways, nope, Bitcoin didn't close below, so no. This is why the system works, guys. It be right on my line. Be right on my line, but they make you wait. And go, look, it came right to my line. Right to my line. Ain't that something? And then it was like, yeah, no, bitch, we gone. And then look at this one, came right to my line. But we gotta wait. We gotta wait another 30 minutes. 10:30 is the cutoff entry time, so you can't put in no entries after 10:30. Once 10:30 hit, it's over with. But let's say 10:30 and you get two tiers. Tier 1 hit, and then at 10:30, tier 2 hit. You can put your entry in. But after that, and you just let it wait. You let it wait till it hit your take profit, but once New York come, you close out. I close out. Because once New York closes at 4:30, the Asian Tokyo market opens up at 5 or maybe 7. And I don't mess with but one session, bro. I don't do no Asian session. We don't do the Tokyo session. We don't do the London session unless it's the overlap with the New York. We don't do other sessions. We only focus on the New York session. That's what this system is built for. That's what it's made for. When you want to learn how to do all the other sessions, be my guest. But omniusd is strictly for New York and New York only. So, no tears hit. I'll be back at 9:28. Peace. Guys, let's take a look at the chart. Well, look like we got one. Gold closes in 45 seconds, and it is above our line. Let's check some other ones. Look like this one is coming up, even though I just wanted to do a short, but look like this one is coming up to touch a line. US 30, I ain't messing with that, bro. All time frames is bearish and it's going up. I think this is just to take people's money. This is a liquidity grab, so I'm not gonna mess with it. Look like this needs to reach this one, this higher high, and I think that's gonna come back down too. Bitcoin ain't doing nothing. Gold for this one, it's similar to this one, so for this prop firm gold, but it's okay. We'll take this one. And it closed, guys. It closed at 66.64. So let's go to gold. 66.64. Price confirmed. Oh, you know what? That's the other one. Okay, so I'm not gonna do it for this one because I know what happened. I updated the app or the web page for the prop firm gold, and this alert is for that one. But I had already did this alert for this one earlier, so I just have to manually do it. So we know that it confirmed though. So I'm gonna go to my broker. If it confirms again, twice. I'm going to my own broker and put it live. So that's what happened right there, but that's okay. I might do it. Hold on, let me see something right quick. Let me go to... Oh no, I was right. Oh yeah, 46.80. I should said that. That's where it's supposed to break at. 46.80. I'm tweaking. Yeah, this is right. Sorry guys. It did. It closed a bit above it. So it closed at 46.92. Let's do it. 46.92. Yeah, I'm with that. So we're gonna type it here. Gold close at 46.92 at 9:30 a.m. Bam. Tier 1. Close at 46.92. Watch the 10 o'clock AM for tier 2. Tier 1 confirmed. Watching for tier 2. Do not enter yet. Okay, we got one. We're cooking. We cooking. Look at that. As soon as it goes here, it wants to go down. That's why we confirm and wait for tier 2. These boys moving slow today. Man, he climbing though. Look, he climbing. He getting there. Look at that. He getting there. He getting to the bread. And it didn't happen. He got it. But we got to close at 10 o'clock. Tier 1 got to close at 10. Look at this Bitcoin. Look at that. You saw it? I told you, Bitcoin moves fast. Look at this one. Look at that shit. Look at that. Just blew past this line. Look, liquidity grab. You see that? Liquidity grab. That's crazy. Look at NASDAQ. Went over above the line, guys. Look how far apart these twos was. Look how far apart I had made these lines. And it still caught up to this one. Look at this. Liquidity grab. They just grabbing money, bro. Look how I put these lines perfectly. And it went all the way above that line. You would think it ain't going that far up. Yep, there it is. That shit crazy. Look what Bitcoin did. Look at this. Liquidity grab. I just want some money. Just give me my money. That's what that was. Look at that. Just give me my money. They taking people shit. That's why I say, man, don't just rush in and go in, man. You see it going up. Oh, let me trade. No, because it's going to trick you. This is what the fuck they do. Look at this. It went up here just to go back down. They taking people money. Millions of dollars are being taken. Millions of dollars, bro. Millions of dollars are being taken right there. I promise you. Look at that, man. That's crazy. Look how far gold is. Oh my God. What in the world? They just blew past my line, bro. And we already got tier 1 in though, right, y'all? We already got tier 1 in. Oh, that's 5-minute candle. I'm sorry, y'all. That's a 5-minute candle. We don't do the 5-minute time frames. We do 30 minutes. But look at that. Still blew past that shit. Blew past it, bro. I don't know what this line was for. I typed in, it was a typo. Oh, it's 46.80, and I put 48.60. That's dyslexia, bro. That's crazy. Okay, that's why that was there. Alright, cool. Let's delete that, y'all. This was the true line. Cool. We got tier 1 activated for gold, y'all. Tier 1 activated for gold. Seconds for tier 2 to close. It's above our line twice. So that means buyers are strong. Buyers are holding. That's what that means. Buyers are holding. They are strong. 10 seconds. Let's go. We might as well go see where it closed at. 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. It closed at 47.09. So we go back here at 10 a.m. Gold closed at 47.09. Let's see, right here should turn green. Yep. Tier 2 place limit at 46.80. Stop at 46.20. TP1 at 47.50. Order in, hands off, let the trade work. Let's talk to it a little bit. Are you sure, bro? Are you sure, bro? Sure. Yes. Good. Now we wait. Price needs to retract back to 480 to fill the limit. You sure? He says, yeah, that's how the plan works. We confirmed tier 2 at 47.09. Now we place the limit at 46.80 and we wait for the retrace to fill us. Price rarely goes straight up without pulling back. Let it come to us. That's what you want. We don't chase. We let it come to us. So we go in here, click trade. I put it right here just so we have to keep going back. Limit, do a sell limit. That means the price coming. You do a market, that means you getting in the trade right here. That's what that means. You get in the trade right there. Wherever it's at, that's where you're getting in. That's what market means. We're doing a limit, so we want it to come back to us. So we go to 46.80, and then take profit is 47.50, and then stop loss 46.20. 46.20. But I might change my entry to like instead of being right here, I might go like right here, guys. 46.72. I might do that. I might come back to that, but it's okay. I'm gonna do one right there. And then I'm gonna click my buy. And now that trade is in. Now we wait. Let's see what else closed for tiers though. Oh, look like this one closed, y'all. S&P 500 closed at 66.19. So now we go to S&P 500. Yep, confirm long scenario. Price closed at, what was it at? 66.19 out here said. 66.19 at 10 a.m. They should light up green. Tier 1 and Tier 2 blew right through 65.86 to close. No. We can't do that, no. That's not what happened, my boy. No. Only one tier closed, so we gotta talk to it. Let's see. No. Tier 1 did not close. No, tier 2. I'm sorry, y'all. Tier 2 did not close. This price is for tier 1 only. Let's see what it says. Got it. Tier 1 confirmed. 66.19 close break. While I'm watching for 10 a.m. for tier 2. So disregard that. Now watch for 10:30 a.m. close for tier 2. Need another close above 65.85 to place this limit. Alright. We need another one to go above this line. This has to stay above here. twice. At 10:30 is our cutoff though. If it don't at 10:30, if it go below here, we done for the day. We ain't messing with this. What's about this one? Oh, we on that one. Let's see. We did that one already. US 30. Yep, US 30 closed. But we wanted to do bearish only, man. I'm not doing this. I'm sorry, y'all. I ain't doing that. Did that one. NASDAQ. Nope. NASDAQ faked us out, y'all. It did not close. It went above it, but it didn't close above it. So, nope, we ain't doing it. Bitcoin, what you do? Nope, Bitcoin almost came up here, y'all. But nope, it didn't close above it. So, we ain't doing it. And we already got gold. We already got the gold. What about this gold? Yeah, I gotta go do my live account. Let's do my live account right quick, y'all. Let's do my live account. 46.50. Fuck it. Let's do it. I got 760 in this account. Alright, gold. Stop loss of 45.80. 45.80. I'm cool with that. Take profit. Let's see. What was the take profit on here, y'all? 47.50. We'll do that. Let's see. Y'all want to do that? Actually, we're gonna take profit off, y'all. Yeah, see where it goes. We take profit. See what happens when I wake up. But we're gonna risk 239 a day. Alright, that's in. I'll be back at 10:30. It's 2:46. Let's see where we are with gold. Hey, we at 154, guys. It retested, came down, and hit my line. And now we at 152. I'm still in the game. If it hits this number right here, this line, stop me out means I lose. I'm gonna lose bread. It's gonna take my money. If this candle hit that candle or the next candle hit this line, I lose. But if it hits this, I take, forgot what my price was. Oh, here you go. Oh no, I think it was like $700. But we can check. I open position. See, that's why you gotta change it to what I did, GTC. I'm at 159 right here, guys. Yep. It's working. It's going up. I got in right there. I'm gonna let it do its thing, guys. I'll come back at 4 o'clock to close, no matter what. Account, I didn't check that, so let's check that. We never came back down. I should have put it where it's supposed to be, which was 46.50, and it did hit that, but I was trying to be too greedy and let it come down to 46.40, but it's okay. I'm okay with that. So this one didn't hit. I don't think this one is going to hit, so we're going to cancel that. I'm cool with that. Excuse me. All right, guys, we back. We're about to close this out. It looked like it already closed it out. That's cool. I don't know why I did that, though. Why did it close itself out? But anyways, we up. Yeah, it canceled itself out again. I don't know why it keeps doing that. It's all good. Canceled itself out. It's all right. It is all right. We won that trade. It retested right here. And it went all the way up here. So we good. We are good. That was a good trade for us today. Came and got what we needed. Let's see where our profit on. There we go. We got $450 in profit. Now I know we got a long way to go to get 3,000, but this is what we doing. We doing patience. This is what this system is about: patience and discipline. Yes, I could have put up more units to get more money out of that, but I put up the minimum right now. I'm trying to teach you discipline, basically. Not being greedy, taking your time. It's not a get rich quick scheme. All right? It's not that at all. Take your time. Take your time. All right. We out. This is a good trading day. And tomorrow the markets are closed. Good Friday. So tomorrow the markets is closed. Relax. I'm about to relax. And I'm about to chill. The market is closed, guys. The market is closed tomorrow. Peace out.